How to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on PC. Now, the only method that you can do to play this game is via the Steam software or the Steam app. Now, you just need to download the Steam application first. Just pull up your preferred browser and go to steam.com. Now, once you're on the website and you haven't logged in yet, there will be an option for you to click and install Steam on your Windows architecture. Depending on your Windows architecture, just tap a or press install Steam on your PC. Once you install Steam, that's the time that you have to create an account or maybe connect it through your Google account. Now you just have to log into your profile and then you just click the search box and type in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Now, this is not going to be for free. It's going to cost you a specific amount of fund. And for you to be able to add this on your cart, you just need to enter your birth date because this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages or may not be appropriate for viewing at work. So once you've done that, you'll be able to add this to cart. You'll set up a payment method and how you would like to purchase the game and so on and so forth. It will automatically install by itself, and you can enjoy the game once everything is fully set up. So that's basically how you download Call of Duty Modern Warfare on your PC.